Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, October 17th. Monday records on the anniversary, 30-year anniversary of Black Monday when the markets dropped more than 20%. We saw new highs once again across the board, NDX, Dow, and S&P. Looking at the Dow, it was August 2nd when we pushed above 22,000, closing in on 23,000 as it stands right now. Crude was the mover of the day. 52.40 was the high of the session, closing in on the 6-month high. Closed at 52 up 50 cents, which is about a 1% move. We've talked about these key numbers in crude, 53 up above and 50 down below as a support to watch on a weekly basis. Gold, which had gained $30 the week before, was down about 2 yesterday, 1303. Keep an eye on that 1300 pivot. And we saw Netflix numbers after the close where they added 5 million subscribers, a good sign for tech once again. So where do these markets stand here on Tuesday morning? Well, we're pretty unchanged right now. We've got a lot of earnings hitting the board. We saw Goldman Sachs profit of $5 billion, Morgan Stanley profit $2 billion, so the banks keep adding to their profits there. The S&P right now is essentially unchanged. We've got the Dow up 20 because of the Goldman Sachs effect, and the NDX, if I look at my board right now, down about 5 points. We talked 6,200 is the target in the NDX. For right now, it's 6110, so we've got still some ways to go there. Crude oil right now unchanged at 52. We've got gold down $15, giving back some of those gains from last week. As the euro currency declines below the 118 level, we've got the dollar index pop. Also in the news to focus on is this VIX. The VIX is not making new lows, even though the market makes new highs almost each and every day. We're hanging right at this 10 level. The extreme low on the VIX was 884. That was way back on July 26, so it's been a couple of months, and that's an interesting dynamic that we want to pay attention to. So to summarize, stocks are steady to unchanged, earnings hitting the tape, driven by fundamentals. Right now I've got the S&P down 1, the NASDAQ down 6, and the Dow up 10. Alan Nuckman here in Chicago at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.